Good morning, champion. Welcome to today's free webinar on simplifying and gamifying match. I'm so grateful you have chosen to invest your morning in learning and growth. Give yourself a pat on the back. You show up, and that's the first step to success. I know many of you might have struggled with maths in the past. Some of you may even fear maths, but today we're going to flip that story. Maths can be simplified, fun, and even gamified. That's the mission of this session. The goal of today's session is very simple. By the end of this webinar, you will see how maths can be broken down into simple, enjoyable, in a gamified step, and how you can use our foundation booster pack to accelerate your exam preparation. If you stay till the end, you will walk away with clarity, motivation, and practical tools you can apply immediately. Are you ready? Remember, this is not just a webinar, it's a learning community space. And every community thrives on respect and discipline. So here we have our code of honor. Number one, we are here to share and grow together. Number two, no self promotion and no distraction. Number three, I want you to be fully present here. Be engaged, take notes, and participate. If you agree, type yes in the comment box. YES. All right, all right. Many yes is coming in. That shows that you are serious. I like your energy. We also have something special. I call that question of the day. I'll be sharing a Google Form link where you can submit your doubt, question, or problem anytime. Every question matters, and I'll try my best to help you with answer and a solution to your problem. So don't keep your doubts in your head. Put them in the Google form so that we can help each other and grow together. That's our mission. I'll show you what is our foundation booster pack. Not all, a part of it. Okay. We have 3-day challenge. Day one will work on goal setting and vision. Here we have 5 videos. I'll show you all the videos. Okay. Day two will work on building the basic or foundation. Day three will work on exam strategies and mindset. Are you ready to learn? Feel free to ask your question. I forgot to share the Google form. I'll share the Google form link on the chat box. Okay, Google form link is shared on the chat box. Let's go through what is all about this question of the day. I'll share my screen. Can you all see my screen? It's the Google form, question of the day. Our problem is too small. Drop your questions, fears, or difficulties here. I'll listen, identify what's holding you back, and give you the right solution. Type your name, mobile number, subject and topic context. If you want to ask question from maths, click maths. If it is English, click English. Reasoning, click reasoning. If it is not from this topic, click other. Students question. Type your question here. Where do you face your doubt? If the question is taken from previous question, click previous question. Mock test, self-study. If it is not from this topic, click others. On a scale of 1 to 10, type here. If you're not confident about your question, you can type less number. If you're confident about your question, you can type 9 out of 10 or 10 out of 10, according to your opinion. Next, we have, do you want this to explain in class, video, or personal reply? Make response here. How urgent is this job? Next, we have, what's the biggest challenge in your preparation right now? Type this so that I can make proper answer and clear your doubt. And if you have any suggestion, do you have any suggestion for sir or coach to make learning easy? You can type your suggestion here. If you want personal response, you can fill this. This is optional. This is all about question of the day. Now let's move to TechMango. This is our course. This is my foundation booster pack. Today we'll work on 3-day challenge. Are ready? If you are ready to go through 3-day challenge, type me in the chat box. All right. If you're interested, let's move on. I'll do as a customer. Day 1, video 1. This is orientation. Day 1, video 2. Here I talk about what this 3-day challenge is all about. Day 1, video 3. It is self-discovery assignment. Video 4, goal setting and mindset rewiring. Video 5, what to expect on day 2. Day 2, video 1, what skills and knowledge you need to build. Day 2, video 2, multiplication shortcut. I'll let you watch this video, okay? Video 3, divisibility rules. Video 4, square roots and cube roots. Video 5, ratio, proportion, and what to expect on day 3. Day 3, video 1, profit and loss, percentage, population, depreciation. Day 3, video 2, problem-solving strategies and shortcuts for competitive exams. Day 3, video 3, short tricks to solve simple and component-based questions without formulas. Video 4, exam day strategies for SSC Sigil Tier 1 and Bank Pure Prelims. After watching this video, you will know the question pattern, important topics, and your syllabus. Video 5, here I talk about what will be the next step after completing all this course. Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn multiplication shortcuts that will help you solve problems faster. These tricks are simple, effective, and perfect for competitive exams. Make sure you have your notebook or digital notes ready. Write down the steps as we go so you can practice later. Let's get started. Multiplication is everywhere in exams. Percentage, ratios, profit and loss, you name it. If you can multiply quickly, you'll save a lot of time and feel more confident.
These shortcuts would also reduce mistakes because they simplify the process. Let's start with simple trick for multiplying by 5. Can you all see my screen? When we multiply any even number with 5, write half of the number. Now 28 is even. When we multiply with 5, write 28 half. 2 half is 1. 28 half is 1/4. And add 0. That's the product of 5 to 28. Let's proceed. When we multiply 5, 6, 2, write half of 6, 2. 6 to half is 3, 1. And add 0 next to 3, 1. 5 into 62 is 3, 1, 0. Let's try one more problem. 4, 8, 6. Half is 2, 4, 3. And add 0. Now let's multiply 5 with odd number. 17 is odd. Now subtract 1 from 17. 17 minus 1 is 16. Right, half of that. 16 half is 8. And write 5 next to 8. That's the product of 5 into 17. Let's try some more example. 5 into 25. 25 minus 1 is 24. 24 half is 12. And add 5. 5 into 25 is 125. Now multiply this. 89 minus 1. 89 minus 1 is 88. 88 half is 44. Therefore, 5 into 89 is 445. Now let's multiply any two number from 12 to 19. These are the rules. Multiply the unit digits. Add the same numbers. Then write common number 1. Let's solve 4 into 12. 4 into 2 is 8. Write 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. Left to 8, write 6. And write the common number. Common number here is 1. Write 1 next to 6. Product of 14 into 12 is 168. Let's try another number. Now multiply 5 and 3. 5, 3 are 15. Write 5. We have 1 in hand. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 with the in hand. 8 plus 1 is 9. Write 9 next to 5. Then common number is 1. Write 1 next to 9. Let's try this number. 16 into 17. Multiply 6 and 7. 7, 6 are 42. Write 2. We have 4 in hand here. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 4, 17. Write 7 next to 2. We have 1 in hand. Common number is 1. 8 with the in hand. 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore, the product of 16 to 17 is 272. Let's try one more number. 17 to 19. Multiply 7 and 9. 9, 7 are 63. Right, 3. We have 6 in hand. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus in hand 6 is 22. Right, 2 here. We have 2 in hand. Common number is 1. 1 plus in hand 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. The product of 17 into 19 is 323.
Now, how many of you might be wondering, how can I practice this consistently and build mastery step by step? That's where our foundation booster pack comes in. Do you want to simplify maths? You want to make it simple, fun, and gamify? Enjoy our foundation booster pack. Here we'll gamify the game together. Remember, champions, knowledge is not enough. Application is everything. Go back, apply today's planning, and share your wins in our community. Stay focused, and let's gamify the learning together. I'll see you in the next session.